2 times absolute value of 5x plus 1, 5x plus 1, and minus 9 equals 4x plus 17. Yes, 4x plus 17. Check the solution, the graph this solution set. I will find the solution, check it, and graph it. So, check the solution and graph the solution. Good. Now, what can we do? Let's start. Number 1, on the right side or on the left side. It is totally depending on you, no problem for me. Just get absolute value alone. There mustn't be anything close to absolute value. So what could it be? Negative 9, I can take the other side. 2 times 5x plus 1 in absolute value equals 4x plus 17 plus 9. I think no need for me to write plus 9 here, plus 9 here. So you are able to understand directly this negative goes there as a positive 9. And then since I have times 2 to eliminate this division by 2, so I will get absolute value of 5x plus 1 equals 4x plus 4x plus 26 divided by 2. And then one more step. If I take 2 common parentheses, 2x plus 13 divided by 2. So these and these simplify. Result will be 2x plus 13. Do you have any question till here? Do you have any question? Check the calculations. No question? Okay. So what am I going to do? Let me give you as a rule. You can copy this somewhere. Rule. Absolute value of f of x is equal to anything. It could be even number. It could be even this kind of functions. Okay. Let's say anything. So in terms of function, let me use. It could be even number. The rule is this. F of x equals g of x, or f of x equals negative g of x. Okay? So, by using this information, I will solve the question. How I will solve the question? Now, my f of x, let's say this, 5x plus 1 equals directly right side, which is 2x plus 13, or 5x plus 1 equals negative in parentheses 13. Common mistake, sometimes students forget to use the parentheses, so it will be wrong. You have to use parentheses. So, any question till now? Till here, any question?
No.
No? Good. So let me say this is the first thing. Let me say this is the second thing. So I have to solve these two things. How can I solve? I don't have place, so here, let me use it. Okay. Now, for the first one, what am I going to say? 5x plus 1 equals 2x plus 13. So what can I do? There are two cases. I can take the 5x here. When I take it, it will be negative 5x plus 2x, negative 3x. So, but it's not good to have a negative thing. It's better always get the positive thing. What I mean, if I take 2x the other side, 5x minus 2x, it will be positive 3x. And at the same time, I can take the positive one the other side. It will be negative 1. 13 minus 1 will be 12. So 5x minus 2x is equal to 13 minus 1. What did I do here? All of you know, but just let me write. I did this. Minus 1, minus 1, which is 5x is equal to 2x plus 12. And then division by 5. Actually, I didn't do it division by 5. 1 minute. So I just did negative 1. So it will be 5x is equal to 2x plus 13 minus 1. Now, since I have 2x and here 5x, so 5x minus 2x, 2x plus 13 minus 1 minus 2x, this negative 2x, this positive 2x simplify, 3x is equal to 13 minus 1, which is 12. But no need, since this is very long, it takes time. Since we are now grade 11, we know everything. So what can I do? Simply, I can do this. So positive 1 goes the other side as negative 1. Positive 2x goes the other side of the equation, negative 2x. So 5x minus 2x is equal to 13 minus 1, which is 13 minus 1 is 12. So 5x minus 2x is 3 times x is equal to 12. And then how can I find the x? X is equal to division by 3. So x equals 4. Now, x equals 4 is one solution. But we have to check our solution. Does it satisfy or not? How can I check it? Like this. In the original equation, which is here, this is now original equation. I will put instead of x4, so 2 times absolute value, 5 times 4 plus 1 minus 9 is equal to 4 times 4 plus 17. So 2 times 5, 4, 20, 21 in absolute value minus 9. So 16 plus 17. Now, since this is absolute value 21 and 21 is positive, so directly 21 outside minus 9 is equal to 16 and 17 will be 33, I think. So 2 times 21, 42 minus 9, 33. So for 42 minus 9, what will be? What will be this? 33. Yes, that's correct. So 33 equals 33. That means it is satisfied. It means that, yes, this is a solution. Imagine when I check it, I got 35 equals 33, for example. 35 equals 33. I will say that, no, I cannot. I will cross this. I will say that x is not a solution. I have to say this. X isn't a solution. But in this question, x is equal to 4 is a solution. Now, I want to clean if you understood, if there is no question till now. Do you want to ask me anything? No. Okay, so let me clean now this part. Now, first case, which we check it now. This is done. Now the second case I have to do. What is the second case? 5x plus 1 equals negative, in parentheses, 2x plus 13. The first job must be distribution of this negative. So negative times 2x, negative 2x, negative times positive 13, negative 13. So I have 5x plus 1, negative 2x minus 13. So if I take the negative 2x to the left, it will be 5x plus 2x. If I take the positive 1 to the right, it will be this. So 7x is equal to negative 14 and x is equal to negative 14 over 7, which is negative 2. Now, I have to check this. I can't say directly this is solution. I have to check. How I will check it? In the original question, I will write it. 2 times absolute value, 5 times negative 2, plus 1 minus 9 is equal 4 times negative 2 plus 17. So 5 times negative 2, negative 10, negative 10 plus 1, negative 9. 2 times negative 9 minus 9 equals 4 negative 2, negative 8 plus 17. Now, negative 9 as an absolute value will be outside positive 9. So 2 times 9 minus 9 is equal to negative 8 plus 17. It will be negative 9, I think, right? Your positive 9. 17 minus 8 is 9. So 2 times 9, 18. 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. So 9 is equal to 9. 18 minus 9 is 9. 9 is equal to 9. What does it mean? It is satisfied. Since 9 really equals 9, we say that x equals negative 2 is a solution. X equals negative 2 is a solution. Now, do you have any question till now? Any question? Question? No question. Okay.
No question, sir.
Okay, let's go back our solution in our book. How is it given? Let's see. It says that x equals 4, x equals negative 2, and it says that check 33, 33, 9 equals 9, so it's a solution. So after that, what it says, both solutions make the equation true, thus the solution set is negative, solution set is 4 comma negative 2. Always we use these curly braces, 4 comma negative 2 is solution, okay? Or negative 2 comma 4 better. We cannot use parentheses like that. No,
Mister,
parentheses
see the
means,
screen, the screenshot.
sorry,
We can't see the screen.
okay, let's look, let's look. Now, can you see?
Yes.
Okay, so let me explain from the beginning then. From the beginning. Uh, when we check the solution, I mean the way 2 times 5x plus 1 minus 9, 4x plus 17. So we solve it. We came up to this point. So when we came up to this point, there are two cases. Left side is equal to right side. Left side is equal to negative right side, which is, remember I have given to you absolute of f of x is equal to g of x, means question is directly f of x equals g of x or f of x equals negative g of x. Or simply, maybe this is also better for you, if x is equal to a, there are two cases, x is equal to a or x is equal to negative a. But the meaning is important here. What does x means? X means inside of this two vertical bar, which is the absolute value. What is a? It's a variable or it's a function, it's a mathematical expression on the right side. So the result is inside is equal to outside or inside is equal to negative outside. So it's better to keep in our mind like that. Okay, so inside, which is 5x plus 1, is equal to directly outside 2x plus 13, or inside, which is 5x plus 1, is equal to negative outside, which is 2x plus 13. And when we solve this, x comes 4 and x comes here negative 2, and we have to check them in the original equation. So here we have to put it. When we put it, you see 33 is equal to 33, 9 is equal to 9. It's finished. And then solution, and then we write the solution set. So solution set, we use the curly braces. We read this curly braces, which is -2, comma 4 or 4, comma -2. This is better. Always write the smallest number firstly. Now, I said that you can't use -2, comma 4. Why? When you use this, it will be interval, infinitely many numbers. But here there are only two numbers solution, -2 and 4. Okay, and then question says graph it. Graph the solution. So graph the solution means on the number line, we are showing as a closed dot, close point, our solution set members. So -2 and 4. So -2 is here and 4 is here. That's it. So this is the graph. Okay? Anything to ask me? Anything to ask me?
No.
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 Okay. And by the way, you have the online book, right, in your Macroville account. So it says to go online to see extra examples. So when you have time, you can try the extra examples also by clicking that one in the original book, ebook. But the thing which I am explaining to you with details, I think it's enough for you. Okay, let me go down. How many minutes left?
15.
Okay, it's good. Now, okay, let's talk about this example. Let's talk about this example. 2 times absolute value x plus 1 minus x is equal to 3x minus 4. So better to share, use the whiteboard this. It will be more clear. So question is 2x plus 1, 2 times x plus 1 minus x equals 3x minus 4. Okay, now solve this. Find the solution. Okay. Step number 1. Express the absolute value on the left or on the right alone. So this is the rule. So this is the first case. Any question till here? No question. So I have this one. Now, how can I continue? First, inside of absolute value, 3, inside of absolute value is equal to outside directly, or inside of absolute value equals negative of outside. Okay, that's it. So then x plus 1 equals 2x minus 2. So 1 plus 2 is equal to x minus x. 3 is equal to x. Here, x plus 1 equals negative 2x plus 2. X plus 2x is equal to minus 1. 3x is equal to 1. X is 1 over 3. Now, when you find solutions, our job is to check them they really satisfy or not. So let's say check. Where, of course, in the original equation, okay? 2 times, directly let me do it, x plus 1. So x is 3 minus 3. So 3 and 1, 4, absolute 4, positive 4, 4, 2, 8, minus 3, 3, 3, 9, minus 4, 5 equals 5. Yes, it is. So this is solution. Now, if I check the second one, which is 1/3, so 2 times 1 over 3 plus 1 minus 1 over 3, 3 times 1 over 3 minus 4. Now, 1 times 3, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 over 3. 2 times absolute value 4 over 3. What did I do? I just equalize the denominator. Minus 1 over 3. This 3 and this 3 simplify. It will be 1 minus 4. So 2 times 4 over 3 minus 1 over 3 is equal 1 minus 4. So 2 times 4, 8. And this is 1, 8 minus 1. So let me write 8 minus 1 divided by 3, since common denominator is equal to negative 3. So 7 over 3 is negative 3. What do you think? Is it correct? True or false?
False.
False. That means it's not equal. So it is not solution. We have only one solution. So solution is only 3. That's it. Okay? Is it okay or not?
Yes, yes.
Normally, dear ladies, there is more easier, shorter way than this way, but our book used this one. So just I want to teach the book way. Later on, inshallah, I can give you a practical way. So no need to check. But you have to do one extra step at the beginning. So at the end, no need to check, but let us learn how the book teach us or show us, okay? Now, let's go. The solution here, you see, 7 over 3 is different than negative 3. So this is false. Why? What we say then? We say that the solution is only 3, okay? And this solution is called extraneous solution. What does it mean? Normally, there were 2 solutions, but one of them doesn't satisfy the equation. For that reason, we call extraneous solution. But the name, it's not so important. Just the solution set is positive 3. We should know this. What about the graph? How will the graph? A graph is simple. On the number line we will draw. Where is 3? Let's say here. That's it. Okay, finished. Now, example 3. Look at this question. Solve this one, it says. So how can I solve? Absolute value of 4x minus 7 is equal to 2 minus 10. Dear students, here look at, it's so important. Is equal to negative 8. Are you looking to the board? I mean, to the screen?
Yes.
Now, you have absolute value of something and result is negative 8. Is it possible?
No.
No, result is directly empty set. There is no x. Why? Absolute value is length of something. So length of something cannot be negative 8. For that reason, there is no x satisfy this condition. Finished. How the book says, because the absolute value of a number is always positive or 0, this sentence is never true. The solution is empty set. Yes, that's it. Okay? Anything to ask me? Or imagine different example. You solve the question and at the end you come this point. 2 is equal to 3. For example, 2 is equal to 3. you will say that empty set. It's not possible. Okay? Or x is equal to square root of -1. So this is not possible for the real numbers. So empty set. Any question? I think clear.
No.
Do we have time or it's over? 5 minutes
We
left.
have 5 minutes.
Okay, very good. Okay, there's a problem here. What is that? You may read this. I am passing now. But read this by yourself, okay? It takes time. Next are, if you tell me that teacher we didn't understand, I can explain. But this is extra thing, don't worry. Okay, yeah, this case, what is that? The rules we have here. Let me solve this question. Okay, this question, and let me explain. 4x minus 8 minus 5. Quickly, I think we can finish this. I will go quickly. So 4x minus 8 minus 5 less than 11. Okay, now solution. As usual, on the left or right, get only absolute value. Till here, any question? Till here, any question?
No.
Please write rule. Absolute value of f of x less than a if and only if, this symbol we read if and only if, negative a less than f of x less than positive a. This is practical rule I am giving to you. So how can I continue then? I can say that negative 16 less than 4x minus 8 less than positive 16. Any question? If yes, please tell me right now. From this, I can write this one. Why?
No.
It's okay. Now, how can you find only x here? Only x. How could it be? Negative 8 to eliminate this plus 8. So negative 16 plus 8. 4x minus 8 plus 8. 16 plus 8. So simplify. I will have negative 8 less than 4x less than 24. Any question?
No, it's clear until here.
And then multiplication, so divide by 4, divide by 4, divide by 4. Negative 8 is divided by 4. Negative 2 less than x less than 6. Finished. So what is the solution set? Open interval, negative 2 comma 6. How can I show this? Negative 2, 6. All solution except 6 except negative 2. So negative 2 and 6, no, but all the other real numbers are solutions. Is it okay?